Apply this mixture on your hands and you bring good luck. You bring all manner of success. Any good thing you desire will locate you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. So in this channel I share spiritual tips like this, okay, and also messages that will help you greatly, bringing you closer to God, teaching you the right prayer to pray for fast answer, and also opening doors for you. You applying your faith, believing that things like this will work for you. You see things working perfectly, just like a magic. So if you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, apply it on your hands to bring all manner of success. You will see what will happen after this. I'll be telling you some ingredients to use, like just 2 ingredients, full of spiritual benefits that will attract all manner of good things. Not all ingredients attract positivity to one. Some ingredients attract bad luck, some attract failure, so many bad luck, so many evil. But the things I share on this channel, okay, if you use it rightly, follow the instructions, they will attract all manner of good things. And the ingredients are purely natural. They have the ability of attracting positivity only. If you use it for your own benefits without hurting anybody, it will bless you greatly. I also want to tell you that with your faith, this will work greatly. Okay, so even if your faith is so little like this, so little, it will still work. It will still work as long as you follow the instructions, as long as you use it rightly. So with the presence of God also, it's very important to seek from God. Before trying anything, tell God that this is what you want to do. Just give yourself time. Do not rush. Let God lead you so that it will be effective. And also you inviting the presence of God, telling God to pass through this item to be a blessing to you. By the grace of God, it will work accordingly, the way God wants. So anytime you are doing spiritual work, okay, even if I don't say it on my other videos, anytime you are doing spiritual work, not prayers, okay, not the one of, midnight prayers, okay, anyone that involves using spiritual items, please stay away from your partner, like sexually, and also do not use it when you are flowing, when you are seeing your period. Generally, whether you are doing prayers, only prayers, or whether you are doing spiritual work or using any spiritual item, make sure your heart is free. Make sure you have a good intention. Do not bear grudges and start using all these things. Do not bear grudges in your mind and start praying. Okay, it will make your prayers not to work or not to be answered. It will make those spiritual items not to be effective, even if it's meant to be effective. So make sure your heart is clean. Okay? Take time, okay, and plan everything. And make sure that you are free and your heart is free as well. So you have to get this wonderful fruit, okay? It's a spice. This is a spice, okay? This is called nutmeg. So nutmeg contains, so many good things for you that will help you spiritually. In this particular video, you have to make use of the powdered one. If it's the seed you have, just like this, okay, you have to blend it, turn it into a powdered form. If you are fortunate to have the powdered one, okay, no need of passing the process of blending it. Just go ahead and make use of it. So nutmeg is highly protecting, like spiritually it protects. It's not only for cooking, not only for seasoning indication. It's packed with so many spiritual benefits that will help you greatly. Very protecting. Okay, it has the way of removing evil, removing all negative energies. It helps to attract favor, like people will favor you anywhere you go. It attracts love. Okay, it brings love and unity, anything peace, it brings it. So this is also going to make you to achieve success. It will also make you to achieve great success, okay, making things to be effective, like anything you put your hand, you prosper. So make sure you pray with it. After praying, you blend it. If you already have the powdered one, just pray with it as well. After praying, then keep it aside. Get coconut oil. Just get coconut oil. Make sure you have original coconut oil, not the one that they have mixed something else into it. So get pure coconut oil. Coconut oil is purely natural and also contains spiritual benefits as well that will help you greatly, not in a negative way but in a positive way. It brings healing. Yes, it brings healing. It brings restoration, success, open doors. Okay, it also have some benefits that nutmeg contains, but not everything. This is purely healing, like anything healing, it brings it. Mixing these two together will make things to work perfectly. depending on your prayer points. Just channel your prayer points so that this will manifest. With your faith, it will come to pass. Anything you desire will come to pass. So after blending your nutmeg powder, keep it aside. Get about 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder. Then you have to add coconut oil in a bowl, in a very clean bowl that have a cover. Okay, this why I said cover, so that after mixing you can cover it for next use. Okay, just get a bowl. Then you have to transfer some amount of coconut oil, like enough to cover that nutmeg. Transfer that nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon, into that bowl as well. But make sure your coconut oil covers, covers the powder, the nutmeg powder. After doing so, you have to mix the two together. Mix them together. Be praying and telling God what you want it to do for you. That God should pass through this, invite the presence of God so that this will work. The power of God is the greatest. Okay, some evil people, they do something like this, but they initiate and invite evil powers to take control. But this is not it. Okay, invite the presence of God. Tell God that you are inviting the presence of God, the creator of the whole universe, the master of the universe, the creator of everybody. Invite him into this work. Tell God to make this to be effective. That is one that created all this. That you want the power of God to make things to work for you. That as you pray, your prayers will manifest good things. That as you use it in any way you want to use it, in good ways, please, not in a bad way. That as you make use of it in good ways, that God should bless the work of your hands. That you desire good things in life, that God should bless you. After praying with it, you have to cover it. Like after mixing it, cover it, then keep it aside. So whenever you want to go out, or you are in a business place or anything at all, even if you are staying at home, you just want good things to locate you, you want good things to come into your life, you want to invite all manner of good things, bring that bowl out, uncover it, then you have to apply it on your hand. Before you apply it, always mix it and pray as well. For example, if you want to use it for protection, anytime you want God to protect you, after praying, then you have to bring it, mix it, then apply it on your hand. Apply it all over your hand, either before you go to bed or when you are going out for protection. So if you want to use it to manifest success or favor, pray with it. Tell God to invite success, to welcome success into your life by mixing it, praying also, telling God that you want to use it for this. Then you apply it on your hands as well. So by the grace of God, this will work perfectly. So apply it on your hands, okay, and God will grant your request. Whatever thing you use it for will work for you. Any good thing, please, any good thing you use it for will work for you. Do not use it when you are seeing your partner sexually, or after seeing your partner immediately you start using it. No. And do not use it when you are flowing, seeing your period. After seeing your period, please, then you can start making use of this. For things to work perfectly in your life, you need faith, you need the presence of God, and God will bless the work of your hands and make success, protection to locate you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.